the idle with the flaps closed. Pretty normal. And then I press the button right here, and you can hear the difference pretty noticeably. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you've seen in the first clip, we did some exhaust cold start before and after. So now we're headed to some rolling exhaust shots, so you can hear it more on the throttle. And then we'll also do some revving before and after, so stay tuned for all of that. Right now we're going to parts store, getting it installed, and then I can't wait to see what it sounds like. So I'll see you guys in a bit. So that's closed. Let's open them. You can hear it gets a little more bassy. Here's one from a stop with the flaps open. Flaps closed. If you didn't know, we're doing this before 1,000 miles and 988. Another cool thing is the downshift. It has more louder pops. So let me show you guys. It has a nice high-pitched pop now, but it doesn't do it all the time. Thank you guys so much for watching this downpipes video. Really appreciate you guys watching. Hit that like button if you enjoyed the exhaust noises it makes. And hit that subscribe to keep up to date with the weekly content and see what's coming in the future. And to finish off, I'll give you guys another clip of driving full throttle forward with the flaps open. But until then, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. The exhaust sounds so good, but I can't wait to do the full cat back, which will come